Hi Arnel, happy birthday. Thank you sa pagiging responsableng asawa kay Rose. I wish you good health and long life.
Happy birthday, Paring Arnel. Wish you good health and long life. Stay strong lang kayo ni Budang. God bless you and enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya Arnel.
Hi, Tay. Happy 60th birthday to you. 60 ka na. Kaya dapat alagaan mo na yung mabuti yung sarili mo. Praying ako kay Lord na sana bigyan ka pa niya ng mas mahabang buhay. Good health. Para magkasama-sama pa tayo ng mas matagal pa. Makilala mo pa yung mga apo mo sa mga apo mo. Yan. Then, Tay, thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices at pagmamahal mo mula sa aming mga anak mo hanggang sa mga apo mo. Lagi kang naandyan. Wag mong pababayaan sa sarili mo. Maliit pa si Arnela. Enjoy mo lang ngayong araw na ito. Araw mo to, kaya sana maging masaya ka. Yun lang. Miss na miss ko na kayo. Miss na miss kita. I love you. Happy birthday ulit. Bye!
Pare, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Sana healthy lang ang pangangatawan mo. At sana sa susunod na birthday mo, makapagtagay naman tayo. Ingat kayo dyan. From Dubai with love. Happy birthday.
Hi, Architect. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo.
Feliz cumpleaños, tío.
Or should we say, a
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ooh, happy birthday.
Hello, Kuya Arnel. Bayaw, happy birthday sa'yo. Ang tanging hiling namin para sa iyo ay maging masaya ka at matagumpay sa buhay. Panalangin namin ay lagi kang pagpalain ng Panginoon. Happy birthday, Kuya Arnel. From Saudi Arabia with love.
Happy birthday po,
Arnel.
Tito Arnel.
Ingat lagi and more birthday to come.
Balik ka sa Bicol.
Yan.
Kita Kids!
Pa-birthday! Mag-polydors ka naman. Happy birthday! Kuya Arnel! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Arnel, happy birthday! And many birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Tito. Ne.
Happy birthday, pare. Wishing you a day filled with happiness, good health, and endless blessings. May this year bring you more success, joy, and memorable moments with your loved ones. You've always been more than just a friend, you're a family. Enjoy your special day, pare, and may all your dreams come true. Cheers to more years of friendship and laughter. Happy birthday!